It is a beautiful, gloomy, rainy morning. It is about a little after 8 a.m. Oh, well, it's almost 9. Almost 9. And I'm just up for a minute. I got up to cook me a quick breakfast. And I'm about to throw a load in the laundry, and I'm getting back in the bed. But this is what we looking like this morning. These boxes, ignore that is a patio set that I need to put together. And let's see what we got. I love mornings like this. Beautiful, beautiful spring morning. Beautiful. You hear the birds? It's everything you ask for. I got, my little atmospheric situation going on. Fireplace. And I'm about to turn. I don't need the heater on there. I'm gonna turn that off. I just want the effect, not the heat. It was cold in here, but I've already warmed it up. And okay, here we go. With a little breakfast in the dark kitchen. I don't like a little light. So I'm cooking bacon. There's water for some grits. Some fruit here. I'm about to put this in a bowl. And put the fruit back. I wish I had some little fruit bowls and things that I want to order. I wish I had a little cute little bowl to put that in. And I think I know what I'm going to do, though. Put those up. I'm just going to grab one of my silver bowls. This one I just had to put the fruit in. Oh, child. I got on my robe, and baby, I got hot quick. Let me go take this robe off. Well, I'll do that in a second. That's my bowl. I'll go ahead and roll it. And I'll put my food in there. But yeah, this is what we are doing this morning. Look at these cute little mushrooms. I showed them in the hall yesterday. I gotta put that tree outside. Maybe it's March and that tree still right here. But I got these cute little mushrooms. They're bells. Like, amazing. Super cute. Anyway, that's that. I gotta take this robe off, baby, because I'm having a hot flash. I'm about to die. All right, y'all. It's been a minute since I wore any foundation or eyeshadow. I've been using a CC cream for the most part. No eyeshadow at all, maybe something in the crease. And I just decided to jump up and do something. You see, my hair is not combed or anything, but it's NARS foundation, Natasha Denona eyeshadow, Charlotte Tilbury mascara, and oh boy, Lash Princess over the Charlotte Tilbury on top. MAC blush, MAC highlighter, Charlotte Tilbury powder. What's that lady's name? Pat McGrath under eye powder. I think that's about it. Oh, Benefit eyebrows. I think that's about it. I'm suffering from some real bad anxiety, and I'm just trying to do stuff to get myself out of it. But I've been struggling. Listen, I really need to get myself together and post some videos. I be tripping, having so much extra shit on my mind. I'm not finna go through that. I'm not finna go through, I need to post and be consistent. I just need to pick up the camera and do it. And then do it. Anyway, I'm just going back in the kitchen to check on my potatoes. I don't know if y'all can see that. I need this big one to boil down a little bit. And I do not want to scratch my, oh, my bad. I don't want to scratch my pot. But I need that to boil down a little bit more. I think we already looked at this too. We did. Let's look at it again. This smells so good. Smells so good, but it ain't tender yet, so it's got a while. I'm gonna make any noise. Oh boy. I got all kinds of oil and grease on my face. I hadn't mentioned it before. I got Botox. It's been about a week. And definitely, I mean, you can see the differences. You can see the differences. From what I understand, I still got about 7 days for the full effects. Oh, my back's hurting. But I gotta take this trash out. That's this trash. I'm tripping. I really don't need to dox myself. I wish y'all could see this big, beautiful moon that's got the sky lit up. I gotta get my telescope put together and put up in the living room, so when I need to do shit like this, it's already put up.